you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a box to show you from the Eczema Sample Store. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this box was just mailed to me. I didn't agree to do an unboxing or anything like that. The company just mailed me a box and then they sent me an email to tell me about their box. So when I first got this and I opened it up to see what was inside, see it is opened. I did open it to see what was inside and I just saw all samples. Then I went back and read the email again and I get it. They're trying to give you a box of all samples so you can try out different products to know what works for you, what doesn't work for you, so you're not spending and wasting a lot of time and money on getting full-size products or a whole lot of different products to see what works and what doesn't. Me personally, I don't have any skin issues, so I don't know what would be a good price box for eczema sample size products or not. So when I saw the price, it threw me off by what's inside. So I honestly didn't even really want to show you guys because I would be afraid you guys thought it was too much, but I see the point in what they're doing and they're trying to give you like a bunch of different samples to try so you're not wasting money to see what actually works for you because everybody's skin is different. I'm sure everybody's case of severity of eczema is different as well. I'm not sure how that really works, but I want to show you what this is all about in case you or somebody you know suffers from eczema or sensitive skin, dry skin, that kind of thing, that this might be something for you to try out and at least give you a place to start. So I'm going to go ahead and read you a little bit of the email that I received, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company and what I found out. They have a subscription box as well, and then they have this sample box to get you started. So I'll explain all of that and the pricing and all of that, and then you guys can figure out if it's worth it for you or if it seems like something you would be interested in, or to tell somebody that you know that might benefit from this as well. So the email that I received, the subject was subscription box review for the Eczema Sample Store. My name is Stephanie and I'm a big fan of your YouTube channel. I wish I was creative and crafty as you are. I bet you if you actually try, you would surprise yourself. I get that a lot. People always say, I wish I was as crafty as you. I wish I could do this. Everything that I do is pretty much simple. So if you actually tried, I bet you would actually surprise yourself. So it says, I sent you a box from my store, the Eczema Sample Store, for review. I have had eczema all of my life and have had a hard time finding products without spending tons of money. So I created this company to help others with sensitive skin and eczema to find the best products for them with samples. I've mailed you the Eczema Intro Sample Box and it should arrive soon. This particular box is a one-off intro welcome box. It's not part of the subscription plan. This is designed as a great starting point for somebody recently diagnosed with eczema or somebody that is new to the sample store. Along with the box, I email each customer a link to the sample product guide, which gives them details on each sample, ingredients, directions, notes, etc. And then there will be actual links and discount codes to buy the full-size products. So they're also doing pre-orders for the seasonal eczema subscription box, and that will launch in spring, which would be mid-March. These will feature samples ideal for caring for sensitive skin during each season of the year. So that's really cool because every season is definitely different and they give you different samples based on the seasons to help you with your skin. So it says, I've created a special discount code for your followers for 25% off for the intro sample box. So this box, you can get 25% off. Not valid with any other discount code. You can use SheCrafty25, all spelled out, SheCrafty25, and that'll get you 25% off this box. So now there's the seasonal eczema box. That one you can do annually, and it would be $153 instead of $180. So you would save 15% off going straight to the annual subscription, or you can just do the seasonal box by box. It's shipped to you in the beginning of each season. You will have 10 to 20 samples in each box from well-known brands and representing several product categories for sensitive skin and eczema. free sample product guides to access sample information, plus discounts to purchase the full size products and free shipping. So if you wanted to just do quarterly, then you would actually save $5 off. And instead of $45 for just a standard box, if you went to the subscription, it would be $40. This intro sample box right here that I will be showing you guys, this one is shipping now. This is not part of a subscription. It's $45, free shipping. SheCrafty 25 will get you 25% off of it. So inside of here, you're gonna get 15 plus samples to travel size products, 2 bonus skincare tools. Samples will include moisturizers, cleansers, sunscreen, shampoo, conditioner, and lip balm. Sample product guides with ingredients, directions of use, and discounts for full-size products. The sample size retail value would be $55 or more with free shipping. They also have an eczema intro baby box. So if you have a baby or you know somebody who has a baby or a small child that has eczema, they have the baby box so you can help with samples to see what would help for them as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in this sample box. So when you first open it up, there is product card information and there is their tissue paper with a sticker that was covered. Again, I've already peeked in here and looked. So first off, there is a pair of gloves. So here's a glove and it has an M on it. So it's probably like a medium size, probably to help when you're putting products on, you can wear the glove, I guess. I'm not quite sure, but there's a white glove. There are some products down inside of here. So let's go over this and then we'll dive into the rest of the stuff that's inside the box. So inside of here is going to be a free and clear hair conditioner, free and clear shampoo. So here's a shampoo, hold it better. So here's a shampoo and a conditioner. So this one is a skin balm, irritable skin balm, and this is a milk wash face cleanser. So here's 2 other products right here. That's by Moo Goo, right there. Here's a Vanny Cream moisturizing cream for sensitive skin, an anti-itch lotion. This is a gentle facial cleanser. This brand I see a lot. This is a hydrating cleanser. And this is a CLN Think Clinically Clean facial moisturizer as well. So that's a good size right there. So there's that. And then down inside of here, here's a little spatty. Once you get to the bottom of your container, whatever is in there, you can get a little spatula in there to get all of the products. Here is a Baby Derma White Mallow face cream. So then here's a natural shampoo and conditioner. These are a bigger size. So here's these 2 bigger shampoo and conditioners. Definitely bigger than the ones that are inside here. So from the same brand is a organic hand and body lotion. And that's the same size. So you have those 3 are all good size. Here is a Burt's Bees Sensitive Daily Moisturizing Cream. Here is the La Roche-Posay. This is a Lipicar Balm Intensive Repair Moisturizing Cream. Here is a Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen 50 plus. And then here's a Burt's Bees Rescue Balm with Turmeric Unscented Burt's Bees Lip Balm. And that is everything that is inside of here, you guys. Yeah, that's everything that's in here. And again, I do not suffer with eczema or sensitive skin or anything like that. So I'm not quite sure if this is worth the $45 with the free shipping. You guys can figure that one out. And again, me personally, I don't. So I would like these samples to go to somebody who could utilize them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all this stuff back in this box and I'm going to send these to one of you guys. So if you have eczema or you know somebody who does suffer from eczema and would love to get these samples to see if any of these would work for them, then comment down below and put in sharing is caring. That's the only thing that just popped into my head right now, because that is true. Sharing is caring. I care about you guys. That's why I like to share with you guys. I don't know why I keep talking with this Burt's Bees situation in my hand. Let me put this down. So like I said, if you have eczema or you know somebody who could utilize this box, then please comment down below. Sharing is caring. If you do not have eczema, please wait until we have another giveaway so this can go to somebody who can really utilize it in the manner that this box was intended for. So sharing is caring. Put in the I'll have a random comment picker. Choose in 2 weeks. You must have a United States address. You must be over the age of 18, and you must comment down below. Sharing is caring. Give this video a big thumbs up, and that is it. Have a United States address to ship it to, be over the age of 18, and comment what I said down below. That's pretty much it. And be subscribed to my channel, because that is why I do what I do, to give back to you that are here actively and positively supporting me here on my channel. And yeah, so comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? What do you think of all the samples that come in this box? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.